So how's everybody else doing tonight? I think we have about 10 more minutes left in this stream. Hopefully you can find something good here. The finds have been kind of lax tonight. No silver, few other good finds from the nickels. And like I've said before, feel free to comment any question. Who's that guy? That's a nice for 1962. Pretty shiny. Denver. All right, we're going to do one more dime roll and then another nickel roll, and I think we'll be done for the evening. Ooh, what is that? Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. We found a Mercury dime. Holy crap. 1936. I don't see a mint bark, so this is probably Philadelphia. Holy crap. We found a Merc dime, 1936. For you guys just joining, we found a Mercury dime live. Look at that. It's my first Mercury dime found in a dime roll, let alone alive. So very, very cool.